चलिए दोस्तों, आज हम लोग जान लेते हैं एसएससी सीजीएल का 2024 में आया हुआ डांस से जितने भी सारा क्वेश्चन था, सारा का सारा हम लोग जानेंगे। इसमें हम लोग जानेंगे टोटल 80 क्वेश्चन, जो आपको काफ़ी मज़ा दे देगा। तो सबसे पहला है परसु मार्थी रामा लिंगा शास्त्री इज एसोसिएटेड with which of the following dance style? Kuchipudi. Jawara dance is a popular folk dance of Madhya Pradesh. This is the first dancer, a transgender, to be honored with Padma Shri. Nartaki Natraj. Jhumo dance is associated with which of the following state? Rajasthan. Which of the following is the unique dance tradition of Himachal Pradesh? Nati. Which of these artists is a Manipur dance style? Dohani, Rajkumar Singh, Singhajit Singh. Which dance from West Bengal combines elements of classical dance with martial art and it is movement of depict stories from Indian mythology? Chhau. T. Bala Saraswati is related with which of the following dance? Bharatanatyam. Honored for her Odissi dancing style, is an element Indian classical dancer. She performed the Center for Indian Classical Dances in New Delhi and was honored with the Padma Bhushan 1992. Sonal Mansingh. The Asthapadi is of Jaya Devas Gita Govinda are sung and dances which of the following dance? Manipuri. Akham Lakshmi Devi reviews the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for her contribution to Manipuri dance. The legendary Kuchipudi dancer Dr. Raja Reddy reformed to one of the following as a Kali Yuga Satyabhama. Shobha Naidu. This legendary Kathak dancer, known for his innovation and modern approach to the dance form, is often referred to as the Emperor of Kathak. Who is he? Birju Maharaj. Which of the dance style does Gita Mahalik have a reputation for? Odissi. Jatin Goswami received several awards for his contribution to which dance style? Satyariya. Whose dance style is incorporated with both Tandavas and Lasya? Manipuri. Who of the following received Sangeet Natak Academy Award for his contribution to Satyariya? Tankeshwar Hazarika Borvayan. Which Indian dance is known for the traditional dance from the Satyariya? Assam. The government of Karnataka organizes the Days Festival every year, which feature an scintillating performance of dance, drama, and music. Is organized aims the rocks and dance that date back to hundreds of years in the village situated near Vijayanagar. Hampi Dance Utsav. Who among following received Sangeet Natak Academy Award for his contribution to tribute dance Baiga? Abjun Singh Dhubue. The author's performance in a place is a completely speechless. The story is enacted using a vocabulary of facial expression and hand gestures. Kathakali. Which of the following Indian classical dancer who was the youngest to receive Padma Bhushan? Sonal Mansingh. Whose Indian dancer won the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for Manipur dance 2018? Akham Lakshmi Devi. Which of the following is a dance form of Assam? Bihu. Kuchipudi classical dance from is associated with which of the following state? Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following folk dance is related to state of Maharashtra? Lazim. Kumi dance is related to state of Tamil Nadu. Rukmini Devi Arundhale was associated with dance style Bharatanatyam. This famous classical dancer and choreographer is known for popularizing the Odissi dance form and founding the Nrityagram dance village. Who is she? Pratima Gaudi. Which of the following dance form is wedded with Hindustani music school? Kathak. Which folk dance is related with the state of Uttar Pradesh? Kejri. Which of the following folk dance is associated with Goa? Dekhni. Which Kathak dancer was awarded with Padma Vibhushan in the year of 1986? Pandit Biju Maharaj. The Des is a tribal dance from the Bhils community of Rajasthan. Jhumur. Which of the following state of Indian does the dance from Mahasu belong? Himachal Pradesh. Who of the following population folk dance Rai? Ram Saya Pandyav. Which of the following state does the dance from Laho belong? Meghalaya. What dancing style was M.K. Saroja, who passed away from June 2020, well known for Bharatanatyam? Which dancing form is classified as Ekahariya Bharatanatyam? Which of the following is Kamudini Lakhi most famous dancing style? Kathak. Which of the following term used in Kathak for standing third? Gopika Bharma received the Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2018 for the contribution to Mohiniyattam. What is the meaning of term Kathak? Storyteller. Who among the following was well known for their Kathakali dancing? Madhavar Basudevan Nair. Tippani Nritya is associated with which of the following states? Gujarat. Which of the following artists has won the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for their contribution Mohiniyattam? Gopika Bharma. Yakshagana is associated with which of the following state? Karnataka. Name the Indo-Persian dance from the Uttar Pradesh. Kathak. Des is lively dance from of the Bundelkhand region. Performance begin with the beating of mridang and gradually gains momentum dotted with prose and poetic dialogues. Swang. Madhuri dance is associated with which of the following state? Jharkhand. To which of the following state does the dance from Lavini belong? Maharashtra. Which dance style is associated with the story of Lord Krishna and his Satyabhama Kalapam? Kuchipudi. To which of the following state of India does the dance from the Dandari belong? Telangana. Which of the following dance is performed by the women on various occasions to the beating of a drum of Madhya Pradesh? Matki dance. Radha Sridhar is associated with which of the following classical dance? Bharatanatyam. Rukmini Devi is regarded as one of the most distinguished artists. Bharatanatyam. Kathak dance is known as combination of music, dance and narrative. Which dance from originated in Andhra Pradesh? Kuchipudi. Which dance from Karnataka involves large drums sung around the neck of men and is known for the religious battle fervor. Dolu Kunitha. Gidda dance is mainly related to Punjab. This dance originated from the southern Indian state of Kerala, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Which of the following dance form is performed by Kurubamen, Karnataka, Dollu Kunida? Which of the following classical dance form is associated with Kerala? Mohiniyattam. Which classical dancer was one of the youngest recipients of Padma Bhushan in 1992? Sonal Mansingh. It is a repeated question. Which of the following state does the dance from Chau belong? West Bengal. In classical dance, which rasa represents anger? Rudra. To which of the following states does the folk dance choreo belong? Haryana. Desh is storytelling classical dance from Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi. Desh, which belong to Kerala in southern India, takes its name from the mythic enchantress Mohiniyattam. Folk dance of Jatra is originated from the state of West Bengal. Which of the following state is associated with Kathak? Uttar Pradesh. Sonal Mansingh is mainly associated with which of the dance style? Odissi and Bharatanatyam. Which dance style was kept alive by the Devdasis? Bharatanatyam. Which of the following text is a main source for the study of techniques in grammar of body, movement and Bharatanatyam dance? Abhinaya Darpan. Which dance is famous for Ras dance? Gujarat. Which classical dance drama from Kerala is renowned for its vibrant makeup, elaborated costumes, and exaggerated facial expression, often depicting stories from the Ramayana? Kathakali. The couple who won Padma Bhushan in 2009 for Bharatanatyam are Binadil Pudia Bhettili, Dhanayanan, and Santa Dhanayanan. Who of the following was one of the stalwarts of Renaissance in Kodiyattam? Amur Madhachakar. Kuchipudi originated in which village name Kuchipudi in Indian states? Andhra Pradesh. Who is often referred as the mother of modern Bharatanatyam? Rukmini Devi Arundhate. ओके यही तक था।